Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got some exciting news to share with you today. Starting tomorrow, I'm launching a free daily YouTube series to teach Power BI from scratch to advanced. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this series is for you. Let me tell you all about it. Here's what you can expect from this 30-day journey. Days 1 to 7. We'll cover the basics, installing Power BI, understanding the interface, and data cleaning. Days 8 to 14. We'll dive into intermediate skills, DAX, measures, and creating advanced visuals. Days 15 to 21. We'll explore advanced topics, building dashboards, using Power BI service, and collaborating with teams. Days 22 to 30. We'll tackle expert-level insights, advanced DAX, row-level security, and real-world projects. By the end of this series, you'll have a solid understanding of Power BI and be ready to create stunning reports and dashboards. So, why should you join this journey? Here's why. You'll learn at your own pace with simple, actionable lessons. You'll gain a skill that's in high demand across industries. And the best part? No prior experience is needed. I'll guide you every step of the way. Here's how you can stay updated and make the most of this series. Subscribe this YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. Engage with the content, ask questions, share your progress, and connect with others in the comments. So who can learn this? This series is perfect for aspiring data analysts looking to break into the field, business professionals who want to make data-driven decisions, students and learners curious about data visualization, anyone who wants to master Power BI and unlock its full potential. So, are you ready to embark on this Power BI journey with me? Let's turn data into insights and create something amazing together. Don't forget to subscribe and join me tomorrow for day 1. What is Power BI? If you're excited about this series, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let me know in the comments. What are you most looking forward to learning? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.